Good morning, students. I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government College Nangal Chaudhary in District Mahendragarh. In last video, we have discussed about syllabus of paper second, Physical Chemistry BSc first. In that video, we discussed about section A, gaseous state. Maxwell distribution of speed, velocity and energy. In Maxwell distribution of speed, we discussed about most probable speed, root mean squares speed and average speed. We also discussed collision parameter like collision frequency, collision diameter. Today in this video, we will discuss about ideal gas and real gas and deviation from ideal behavior of real gas. Ideal gas may be defined as a gas which obeys gas laws and general gas equation PV is equal to nRT at all conditions of temperature and pressure is called ideal gas or perfect gas. Practically there is no ideal gas. A gas which do not obey gas law is called real gas. Real gas do not obey PV is equal to nRT equation. In general, all gases are real. We can say that practically there is no ideal gas and real gas behaves like ideal gas in some conditions. These conditions are low pressure and high temperature. All gases obey gas law only at low pressure and high temperature, hence behaves like ideal gas. And all gases do not obey gas laws at high pressure and low temperature, hence called real gas. Deviation from ideal behavior. A plot of PV versus P for different real gases are shown at a temperature of 273 Kelvin. This plot is very clear. This plot indicates that certain gases like H2 and He mean hydrogen gas and helium gas obey Boyle's law at very low pressure, but on increasing pressure the pressure volume increases continuously. Second, other gas like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane show decrease in PV value in beginning but passes through a minima and then increases with increase in pressure. Cause of deviation from ideal behavior. The following two assumptions of kinetic theory of gases are faulty. These assumptions are: number one, volume occupied by molecule of gas is negligible as compared to total volume of gas. And the second is the force of attraction and repulsion between the gas molecule are negligible. Van der Waals suggested that these two assumptions of kinetic gas theory become faulty at high temperature and low temperature. So Van der Waals made two corrections. Correction of volume. According to Van der Waals, effective volume occupied by gas molecule is 4 times as compared to actual volume. Hence, ideal gas equation V should be replaced by V minus B. Correction of force of attraction, pressure correction. A molecule of gas lying in the bulk of gas is attracted from all the sides by the gas molecule. As a result, molecule of gas strike the wall of container with a less force. Hence, we have corrected pressure P plus small p. since P is directly proportional to 1 by V square. So ideal gas equation P should be replaced by P plus A by V square. Measurement of deviation in terms of compressibility factor Z. Compressibility factor Z is defined as Z is equal to PV by nRT. For ideal gas, Z is equal to 1 and real gas Z is not equal to 1. Now we will discuss effect of pressure on compressibility factor. At low pressure, real gas behaves like ideal gas. But at high pressure, Z get decreases and pass through the minima and increases in the last. There are exceptions also. For gases like hydrogen and helium gas, the value of Z is always more than 1 and Z always increases with pressure. Why this type of exception is shown, we will discuss after some time. Effect of temperature on compressibility factor. Boil temperature. From graph, it is clear that dip in the curve decreases as the temperature increases. At last, a temperature is reached where the dip in the curve becomes minimum and value of Z remain close to the unity over appreciable range of pressure. This temperature is known as boil temperature. So we can define boil temperature like this. It is a temperature at which real gas behaves like ideal gas over an appreciable range of pressure. Now we will discuss van der Waals equation or equation of state for real gas with two corrections, that is known as volume correction and pressure correction. We get a new equation that is known as van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation is P plus A by V square multiply by V minus B is equal to RT. This is for 1 mole. For n mole, it is P plus A n square by V square multiply by V minus NB is equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, T temperature, R gas constant, A and B are van der Waals constants. Unit of van der Waals constants. A and B are known as van der Waals constant and unit of A is atmospheric liter square per mole square and unit of B is liter per mole. Now the next point is advantage of van der Waals equation. This equation beautifully explains the behavior of real gas at all conditions. Limitation of van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation is not generalized because the value of A and B depends on the nature of gases. When the pressure is too high or too low, the equation shows appreciable deviation. Explanation of behavior of real gas on the basis of van der Waals equation. Explanation of behavior of real gas on the basis of van der Waals equation. For 1 mole of real gas, we have van der Waals equation P plus A by V square multiply by V minus B is equal to RT. At low pressure, we know that at low pressure automatically V will be very high and A by V square will be very less. So we can say that V is very high, A by V square is very less, then V minus B almost will be equal to V, and P plus A by V square will be almost equal to P, and van der Waals equation will be converted into PV is equal to RT. At moderate pressure, A by V square not negligible, but V minus B will be equal to almost V. So we can say that P plus A by V square multiply by V minus B is equal to RT become equal to P plus A by V square multiply V is equal to RT, and automatically we will get PV is equal to RT minus A upon V. Divide the whole equation by RT, we will get PV by RT is equal to 1 minus A by RTV. Z, PV upon RT is also equal to Z. So Z is equal to 1 minus A by RTV, and in this case Z is always less than 1. At high pressure, P is very high, then V is less. So P plus A by V square will be almost equal to P. The equation will convert automatically into P multiply by V minus B is equal to RT. Now PV is equal to RT plus PB. Divided the whole equation by RT, PV upon RT is equal to 1 plus PB upon RT, and in the case Z mean PV by RT is always greater than 1. Like these three deductions. Fourth deduction at high temperature. At high temperature, the van der Waals equation will convert into PV is equal to RT. At very low pressure and high temperature, this equation again converted into PV is equal to RT. So we will deduce the ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT from van der Waals gas equation. Thank you students. Thank you very much.